here we are on day, I don't know, of the quarantine. I just know we have a while to go. So I decided to do quick little videos to get people organized while they're staying home. It can get really boring, so why not organize? And the first drawer I'm going to tackle today with you all is a bathroom drawer. Everybody has so many hair care products and skincare products, and so it can get cluttered really, really easily. So the first thing you do is grab a garbage can, and I suggest getting rid of anything that's expired, old, you never ever use. And if it's a quality item but for some reason it broke out your skin, it caused a rash, you can put it in another bag and save it to have for a friend or relative. But the main goal is to only keep what you use. And now during quarantine is the perfect time to simplify your hair, your makeup, your whole entire skincare routine. And the easiest way is after you've purged, we're now gonna sort by categories. And in here for myself, I like to keep my daily and nightly skincare routine together because I have really simplified it so it fits in one of my favorite the Home Edit deep drawer bins, because sometimes your drawers, they're just not all the same. Some are narrower and some are deep, and so these are great for those drawers. After you've sorted by like items, over here I have all my eye stuff. I suffer from dry eyes, so I have a lot of items for my eyes, so I like to keep them all together. Then I have like all my stuff, toothpaste, toothbrushes, floss, all the things for your teeth, extra razor blades, and then I have all my skincare. And I like that you still have some room for maybe the taller items. Here's my sunscreen, and then here's all my hair care favorites right here along the side. So it was simple, easy to do, purge, sort, and then find the containers that work for your drawer. I hope this was helpful. Stay tuned for more.